Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make a narrated PowerPoint and remind you about some features about PowerPoint in general. So this is just a regular PowerPoint. I've opened up just a regular blank slide, so the first thing I'm actually going to do is add some color and choose a design. So I'm going to pick this one. So you can see the title slide is just how to make a narrated PowerPoint. I'm going to go back over here and go to home, and I'm going to go to new slide. I'm going to click down here and I'm going to insert title with content. So I'm going to just click step 1 and I'm going to write choose a design. Okay. I'm going to click this one, let's say step 2, add pictures and content. So you're going to add what you want to see, what you want to say, and then once you've finished adding what you say, you want to say step 4 is to record your voice or just record your PowerPoint. So how you're going to do that is actually you're going to go up here to record your slideshow. You can see it right here in slideshow. So you're going to click right here and you're going to click record from the beginning. It comes up like this. Okay, so if you want to make a video, you can click off of the video. And we can't do it right now because I'm making this video, but then you can use the microphone to make a narrated PowerPoint. So you can click it just like this. It'll start 3, 2, 1. How to make a narrated PowerPoint by Miss Nolan. Step 1, choose a design. Step 2, add pictures and content. Step 3, record your voice or your PowerPoint. And again, if you wanted to make, it would come up as you using a webcam, this little video box right here. All you have to do is click this. The camera is not recording because it's already recording me recording this screen capture for this. And then that's it. End of the slideshow, click to exit. Now you have a narrated PowerPoint. So I can click this and we can watch. We'll see how it goes. How to make a narrated PowerPoint by step 1, design. Step 2, edit. Step 3, record your voice or your PowerPoint. And again, if you wanted to make Okay.